Welcome to our channel, The Traveling Tooks. We are two friends who like to travel or experience new or old things and share what they're like. We'll let you know anything we know or we wish we knew about these places. He's Andrew, the funny one.
And she's Holly, the shy one.
So if you feel like it, come join us. Today we took a trip to Toronto's old spaghetti factory. It's been a place I've enjoyed since I was a kid. It's comforting to see some things never change. And this restaurant is perfect for families. It's fun, affordable, and always busy, especially during supper. We managed to beat the rush by going for lunch today, but I definitely recommend reservations for evenings. Since I knew about the trolley car here, and since I'm a sucker for anything resembling a train, I booked us a spot in advance, and they were kind enough to seat us there even though it wasn't busy. And the staff were amazing, friendly, and efficient. Our waiter mentioned it was a quiet day, and so we were the only ones on the trolley. The old posters. And we are the only ones in here right now. I did ask when I reserved whether we could have one of the special tables. Upon arrival, you get a paper menu outlining their 3-course meal deal. So here, it's got appetizers that you pay for. But the other meal, you get your bread, super salad, desserts, tea, coffee, and one of the meals. And they come with the bread right off the bat. So the food is what you'd expect from an Italian joint, with everything made fresh in their kitchen. It's traditional fare, so don't expect gourmet dishes, but they do cater to everyone, with gluten-free and vegan options. I always go for the salad with Thousand Island dressing here, and it's the only place I actually like it. So this is the garden salad. I got the Thousand Island dressing. If you like a lot of dressing, you'll love it. If you don't love a lot of dressing, I would just suggest asking for it on the side, which I forgot to do. How'd you like your soup?
It was good. Minestrone.
Is it spicy?
Nothing spicy.
No?
No. Maybe a little bit more salt.
Was there a lot of chunks of tomato in it?
It was very hearty with tomato, macaroni, spinach. I think there's some squash in it too.
Oh, okay. I also tried the plant-based meatballs with spaghetti and marinara sauce, and I have to say I enjoyed it. They have this browned butter and, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, Mr. cheese dish that's their specialty, but I haven't gotten around to trying it yet. So if you have, let us know in the comments how it is. So here is the Impossible meatballs with marinara sauce, and Andrew got the manicotti. And what's in your manicotti?
Spinach and avocado.
Okay. How's the spumoni?
Tastes spumoni.
This one, what I remember from being here when I was little is that there's no nuts and stuff. Most spumoni has is it pistachio in it?
Pistachio.
Yeah. Turns out the old spaghetti factory is part of a chain. I didn't know that. This location is one of 15 in Canada and there are 41 in the US. This location opened in 1971 and was originally a blacksmith shop. The first OSF was started in 1969 in Portland, Oregon, with the Toronto location opening in 1971. The Toronto location was originally a blacksmith shop from 1898 and was converted into this restaurant. As you'll see, there are high ceilings, European stained glass windows, and the carousel is over 100 years old. So if you're looking for a family-friendly spot with good food and unique atmosphere and decently priced, definitely give it a try. It's got that old school charm that keeps us coming back. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures like this one. Chook to you later.